Gala Games continues to hold above a key area of support above the 0.04778, and at the time of this recording we are seeing much of a pullback after seeing an aggressive move in a move that gave us a high above the 0.08702. And on this video I will be focusing on the short term and also the long term price action to expect here on the Gala Games chart for the next coming days. And starting my video here on the daily chart, allow me to first zoom in and first share out my long-term price prediction analysis, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, where you can easily see that back in 2020, Gala Games gave us these significant lows before we saw an aggressive move to the upper side, giving us an all-time high above the 0.85 in a move that I'm terming as the formation of these Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, giving us a bear market low below the 0.01212. And I also believe that we have now bottomed out in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a second wave, whatever we expect next is the start of an aggressive move to the upper side once again in the formation of these Elliot wave count 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the bear market low, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 1.34742, which is the minimum that we can expect Gala Games to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, I'm expecting Gala Games to take us back to all-time highs and give us a new all-time high, maybe possibly back above the $1 mark. And zooming in on the charts to now focus on the short-term price action to expect for the next coming hours. Zooming in, you can easily see that after seeing the bear market low, we have been seeing higher prices, where we first saw this aggressive move to the upper side in what I have now been terming as the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. And after we topped in the formation of that first wave, we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target area for that second wave, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. We saw a reaction of this target area and saw another aggressive push to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.06, which is an area that we fully maximized, pushed above that key area on the Fibonacci to the next target area, which is the fib level 2.618, and that is above the 0.08591, giving us a high above the 0.087. And I now believe that we have now topped in the formation of these Elliot wave count 3, and whatever we are seeing at the moment here on the Gala Games chart is a bit of a pullback in the formation of these Elliot wave count 4. And once you have a low in place in the formation of these wave 4, then Gala Games will give us another massive push to the upper side in the formation of these Elliot wave count 5. And the target areas for the fourth wave can be given using the Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.04612 and the 0.05398, which is the target area that I have highlighted here on the chart. So in the next coming hours, just in case we see another dip off here on the charts, this is the area that we need to have our eyes on, because as long as we continue holding within this area, once we see that pull back into the area, maybe see much of a consolidation, then there are high chances of seeing another aggressive push to the upper side in the formation of that Elliot wave count 5 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term here on the Gala Games chart. We also need to have in mind that we can also see a reaction of significant areas on the Fibonacci's also, which is the Fib level 0.382. And you can easily see that we have seen a pullback into the Fib level 0.382, and we are now holding between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5. And this is also a significant area here on the charts, because we can see a reaction to that target area, maybe have a low in place in the formation of that wave 4, and start our massive push to the upper side in the formation of that Elliot wave count 5 in the next coming hours. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.